Okay, let's be real. How many times have you finished a lecture, a crucial client call, or a brainstorming session, only to realize your notes are a mess, or you've completely missed a vital detail? You end up spending hours trying to piece things back together, wishing you had a photographic memory, or just a better way to capture everything, without being glued to a keyboard. It's frustrating, right? Especially when you're dealing with those cheap, flimsy alternatives that promise the world but deliver garbled audio, and an app that crashes more often than not. Those things just add to the stress, making you redo work you thought was done. Well, what if I told you there's something that completely changes that game? Meet the Plaud Note. Seriously, this little gadget is a total game changer for anyone who needs to capture spoken information accurately and effortlessly. Forget those old clunky dictaphones or relying solely on your phone. This thing is tiny, barely thicker than a credit card, made from this premium aluminum, and even won a design award, so it looks as good as it performs. But here's where the magic really happens. It uses advanced AI. We're talking about transcribing what it hears into text in over 112 languages, so no more frantically scribbling, trying to keep up. And get this, it can then summarize those transcriptions for you. Imagine getting bullet points, key takeaways, meeting minutes, or even a to-do list, all generated automatically, ready to go. Think of the time it saves you on busy mornings, or after a long day. Unlike those basic recorders where you're left sifting through hours of audio yourself, this does the heavy lifting. Worried about privacy? Your data is encrypted locally, and anything in the cloud is exclusive to you, only processed with your permission. Plus, you get unlimited cloud storage through their app and web portal. It even handles dual-mode recording, one sensor for crystal clear ambient sound in a meeting, and another, a vibration conduction sensor, that captures phone calls directly from the source, guaranteeing perfect clarity. No more tinny call recordings. It packs 64 gigabytes of memory, which is enough for 480 hours of recordings, and the battery lasts for a solid 30 hours of continuous use. You literally get everything you need in the box. The Plaud Note itself, a sleek case, a magnetic ring, and the charging cable. And to get you started, you even get 300 free transcription minutes every month. The app itself is fantastic, letting you trim audio, import other files, and even label speakers. It's like having a personal assistant for your audio. You know, I've tried my fair share of recorders that just don't cut it, leaving me with choppy audio or files I can't even open. This is simply in a different league. Is it worth the money? Absolutely. When you factor in the time you save, the accuracy you gain, and the sheer peace of mind knowing you won't miss a thing, it pays for itself almost immediately. It's an investment in your productivity and mental clarity. I've dropped the link to this exact model down in the description, so you don't have to scroll through 100 knockoffs. If you want to check it out, I have left a link for you below.